Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, I want to show you a tool I just came across that does accurate text as well as text to image or text AI art generation or AI image generation. Alright, first off, it's called Ideogram.ai, and I'll go right out of the gate here. It's free to use. At least currently, there's no cost associated with it. It is free to use and it does text really well. If you don't believe me, check this out. Here's Top Gun. I guess if you want to look at the actual prompt, you can just click on the image and it says here, Tom Cruise as Maverick in Top Gun in a fighter jet poster with written Top Gun typography, 4K realistic, etc. Look at that. That was one prompt and it created that, and it did a great job. Here is a magical AF unicorn or something like that, but hey, look, you'll see that it says magical AF in quotation marks, and it's magical AF on the poster or on the image. It got it right, and that is very hard to do in AI image and AI art generation. Here's some more examples here. Now, all right, I like Sumer. Oh wait, that is what it's supposed to say. Look at that, it's not even wrong. I thought, oh, I misspelled it, it should have said summer. No, I like Sumer, look at that. All right, Fertile Crescent for the win. So there you go. Here's another one here, no joke. Okay, all right. So what can you do? You can write in cute sayings. You can write little funny things. Oh, what's that sign say? My future is in God's hands. Okay, there's Leica, the name of your puppy dog, if you do puppy dog art. Anyways, you see where I'm going with this. Let's see if you want to create your own, though. Let's go through that. So I'm going to go up here to the top, Ideogram.ai, and I'm going to go, I don't know, dog, poster of a dog, named with Kingston. Oops. I'm just going to try and do this quickly on the image. Something like that. I don't even know what I'm trying to do. And you'll see here you can do different aspect ratios, 10, 16, 1, 1, and 16, 10. Here we go. I'm going to click on generate. And let's see what we get first kick at the can. It's going to take a few seconds, as you can see here. But again, there's no credits. I didn't have to pay any money. I have a free account. How good is that? I'll come back when it's done and I'll show you what we got. All right, so, oh, no, it's not quite done yet, but you can already see that it has knocked it out of the park. Exactly. My dog is actually a French and English bulldog named Kingston. And look at that, Kingston, right there on that oversized name tag. That is fantastic. That is one ugly looking dog, but Kingston, the wording is correct. Now, I just did a quick poster of a dog, but if you wanted to put in all sorts of descriptors, go nuts. Do what you want. Here's another one, Kingston. Look at that. This is one of the best free tools for AI image generation. You combine the fact that it's given it to you with proper text on 3 out of the 4 cases in this example. You got to try this out. It's worth a crack. Thanks for watching.